Yeah. Kaizer Chiefs nil, Mamelodi Sundowns, Maraba Stars nil. I just wanna say, let's just take this moment as like Jose fans to just appreciate Baba Nabi and his technical team, because I don't wanna lie, like because like it improved really. And if we have continued like the momentum available, like Siba like now, that's that would be great. I don't wanna lie, because like let's speak about good like, before like Kunabi arrived, all these other coaches they were playing like into one route like football yabo. Ajo yesterday besingakwazi nokuhlanganisa like ama-passes simple passes ayi-5, you couldn't even like ukuthi hlanganise like ipass ukuthi like sinikeze umuntu ethe e-center and then but that's person vele yabo turns with the ball. So I just wanted to say ukuthi I'm grateful. Let's just appreciate Baba Nabi and his technical team, and let's welcome back Baba Nabi. And yeah, man, let's get back to the game. And another thing, like on today's game, I expected like I will see Flavio Silva, but I didn't see Umchita due to like the match of like a game better the way in a corner. I believe it maybe Kaizer Chiefs won the game, which they should have won. Not because like I'm a fan, they should have won. They had like more attempts. Sundowns had more of the ball positions. You can't take that away from them. But like Kaizer Chiefs had more attempts with like most of like attacking opportunities, which you could have like executed them and won the match. Simple and clear. And then after that, we just go on top of the table. And then yeah, it was going to be like chaos and stuff. And then, but I'm really happy about seeing the clean sheets, another clean sheet, the fourth clean sheet for the one and only Inchebe. Oh, Inchebe for the one and only Peter Sid, in case I choose #1 goalkeeper. Even on this kit, it is saying that. So yeah, man, I'm really like happy. I'm really like happy. Like I'm satisfied by like a performance. Really, but I'm still crying. Could have like won this match very easily, and I'm still gonna stick on this man. Go to like Sundowns doesn't threaten that much. I'm just gonna keep this saying this thing again. It doesn't threaten that much. Okay, now I'm gonna change like my opinion since like I've seen Banu Sales, I guess like a pirate about that was the first game I was like, okay, Sales is actually like a good player, but because I believe he's more effective as a winger as they usually play him available. And then even like today, he didn't have like a game available, which is beautiful that much because him and Pulemori they were just clicking. Somehow they're just having like a conflict. We're making many foul Modi fouled him. I don't know how come because like part of the Bangama wingers and they just like catch each other available in like the center play available of like the ground. So yeah, I think on that side it'll be okay. And then on the other side, and the right back Mamelodi Sundowns, I think it's like the problem is not fixed yet. Kamutao, but I heard it's like Mutao is coming back to the he has came back about to like the training station, and I heard people around making rumors which will be available for today's game. But I didn't see him. Maybe he was on the bench. I didn't focus on the starting lineup center. Say Mamelodi Sundowns like Maguchi like to check like specific players. I just like scanned through and then I was like, oh okay, it is interesting. I saw Mape and I saw Tulitlag. I was like, okay, two of like the youngsters available. They are there. And yeah, on that right back position for Mamelodi Sundowns, Unto Morena today, I didn't see him. If I'm being honest, I didn't see him. And then I just wanna say which like as consolation again, let's just appreciate the one and only Nyambo Somkulu. I don't know. I feel like at this point, I'm just like he's like my favorite player. Every player, of course, actually, it is my favorite player. And then, but I just have like I think it is like currently like moment like Onyambo, so just like kept like hands for him. And then starting lineup when I was actually like speaking like with my gents and stuff, and starting lineup so is Sekosi and Amanto ama-subs they were just the way vele I predicted everything ukuthi vele Flavio Silva will be introduced today, but yeah, he was on the bench at least. He didn't play due to the fact ngelela ngisho ukuthi maybe mhlawumbe if like it was different results he was going to play the game. But the starting lineup, I saw because Nyela I want to look Cross. I go to Cross where he's like a bad player already. Thing. I've been giving Cross like his flowers as you all actually know. I've been giving Cross his flowers. The reason Cross didn't play was Bazo like nah in Wara it didn't play because in Cross today didn't play because like we didn't have like a man like a center backs about away he could have like started and then converted during the match as a center back. But the problem is that left back position demands a lot, like and as it demands a lot, there are higher like probabilities or good like actually like a yellow card or receiving actually a card. Or if you are playing as a side back, there are higher like opportunities about probabilities ukuthi like kunto receive a card about which means ukuthi like must say if maybe one of our center backs about look gets like a injured or something about supposed to be like substituted to didn't have like any center backs because most of our players were injured Msimango totally. We don't have Utov anymore since I don't Eddie McCarthy also about he's having the problem. So that was the reason Okros didn't start according to me, and this is what I was actually telling the yeah, I think from now on I need to start making a video starting the lineup, but I'm gonna do that is like the channel progress. As we're speaking about like the channel progressing, I really appreciate it if like actually subscribe. We are 4 subscribers away, but we are 4 subscribers away from like reaching 750. By the way, I just want to take this opportunity again in Bong again Yantada our face. Yeah, but I think I'll even love you more than this. I'm kidding. Yeah, I think I'll even love you all more than this TV. Like I really appreciate the support, but besides that, I like to also because by the way, I'm speaking about like because I was watching like a perspective earlier corner available. Because another thing we made it feel that like hey, see, I was speaking about Unyambo, yeah, we made it feel that because was like Unyambo like adjust. That's like maybe he when like we're defending, he makes us like compare how many like amount tackles like like when like they were actually trying ukuthi bantu attack. There were many tackles even when they actually protected this kid abantu banenkinga entsha ubani Mabhena yabo he couldn't like actually like finish him. And then also like we didn't even see Unto Alende and Umkwena. I'm not saying we didn't see them that much on this game just because of Unyambose, but we didn't see them that much because of like the way we were playing very tactical. Anything I noticed was like they're just waiting for right moments. Which actually like into a baller when Mamelodi Sundowns is actually like building, which is was great. Let's give like Kunawe Amanda clubs are very needs technical team to have that approach. And yeah, man, just was it is a beautiful game. I'll give my man of the match. I think to Lilepo. Lilepo had like a beautiful game. Lilepo actually had like a beautiful game. I don't wanna lie. And then let's spoke about another player, Monyane. I feel like we just need to give Monyane a contract to 20 meters because like we just got scammed on that day somehow. Like even like Marco, also like Marco showed who's like has like an experience and stuff. And let's congratulate him also like for having into to start available then to the game available. So yeah, and also we saw on the Mamelodi Sundowns side to Gutman Pasatin. Pasatin, it was first time he was played on his actual position, which I didn't see that much like from him. I think he still needs like to adjust from like certainly Mamelodi Sundowns. I still believe it was like Pasatin needs to adjust somehow because I didn't see like effects, especially after like he got like the yellow card. Maybe that might be the explanation because Liverpool was just like keeping on like pressing him, and I believe we won. Beside me being biased or anything, I believe we should have like won this game. But I'm grateful also with like we're having like 10 points. That's great. And yeah, man, Buffett, yantada. Nyabonga for the support. Let's get 4 more. 4. We have played already 4 games. I will cost 4 more. Sabu 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. Danko. Keep on supporting the channel. Angazi nganibonga kangaki. Kungathi nganihlabela inkomo. Danko.